Alright, so here's a quick tutorial on how to program the buttons in your car to open your garage door. Start by consulting your vehicle's manual. This will give you any additional information you might need to complete this process. Next, locate the in-vehicle controls. Mine are above the mirror near the rear climate controls. Put the system in learning mode by pressing and holding on the outside buttons for 20 to 30 seconds. Holding the buttons for longer than 30 seconds will reset the system to default settings. Note the indicator light is solid orange. Once the system enters Learn mode, it will begin flashing and you can release the buttons. Now we'll teach the system the remote frequency. Hold the current garage door opener remote within 2 to 3 inches of the desired button. Simultaneously press and hold the button on the remote as well as the desired button in your vehicle. The light will start by flashing slowly and then quickly when pairing is complete. If your newly programmed button is not now working with your garage door opener, you're going to need to teach the garage opener about the new button. Start by finding the Learn button on the garage opener motor box. Firmly press this button and return to your vehicle. You will have 30 seconds to pair the new button to the garage door opener by pressing and holding the button for 2 seconds. You may need to repeat this learning process 2 to 3 times in order to complete the process. If your new button is still not working, let me know in the comments below and we'll try and troubleshoot the problem.